Hello and welcome to Atelier Sandrine Mogy. Back in September 2021, I started a project with Fabriano watercolor papers, and they commissioned me to make some video tutorials for their drawing festival and for their YouTube channel. After talking to some of you, it seems that not all of you have found these tutorials, and I think that you might want to watch them because they are full tutorials. They are free to watch on the Fabriano channel. And if you like my tutorials, it's a shame to miss them. So here is a link to the first one. It's to paint a viola with my usual technique of mostly wet in wet work and a bit of dry brush to finish off the details. There are more video tutorials from me to come on Fabriano's YouTube channel as I'm continuing to work with them. So watch this space. At the moment we have 2 more planned, but it's been really awesome working with the people at Fabriano, so I hope there will be some more to come. In the meanwhile, enjoy the viola. Happy painting, bye!